If you're preparing for the Duolingo English test, do you know right about the photo is the section you could improve the fastest? So today I'm gonna try to help someone improve this part in 10 minutes. And I'm gonna use the step-by-step trainer I designed to let you see how it works. I know you haven't practiced this section for almost 1 year. So first, just try a question and see your current performance, okay? You can start a fast practice. Okay, you have 1 minute to write about the photo. Okay, 10 seconds left. Okay, so I can see you finished the 3 simple sentences, right? And I think the performance is around maybe 90 to 100. And now let's just use the step-by-step trainer and to see if we can improve your performance to 120 within 10 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so just go back and start the trainer. The left one, step-by-step guide, okay.
This one? Okay.
Okay, so first let's just see the instruction. Before we write, actually I have broken down the whole process into 3 steps. First, I don't need you to write the full sentence, just to learn the structure, okay? Find the main idea, to learn how to observe the image. So now you can see I have given you a structure with 3 sentences. So the first sentence is about to find the main idea. Who, action, and place, right? Okay, so we can see the first sentence. The photo depicts a, so you can check in the photo. What can you see? What kind of person?
A girl?
A girl or a woman, right? Okay, so photo depicts, so you write a woman. So this is the main character.
Okay.
Okay, so then who is doing something, right?
Yes.
Who is...
Shopping?
What is she doing?
Yeah, she is shopping, okay? A woman who is shopping. So write shopping. And shopping. Shopping with 2P, yeah. Okay. And in the place.
Supermarket?
Yeah, in a supermarket. So the first sentence shows a woman and what she is doing and the place. So this is the structure and template. And let's see the second sentence. She is wearing something, right? And in the second sentence we add details about appearance. So she is wearing, what can you see? What she is wearing?
A t-shirt and a jean?
Yeah. Maybe you can add the color, right? A white shirt, shirt, and blue jeans, right? Blue jeans. Okay.
Is it a white shirt or white t-shirt?
It's okay. Both are okay. And is holding, and she is holding something, right? She is holding what?
A basket?
Okay. She's holding an
Basket.
holding an. Just see the grammar and it can also add the color, right?
A red bucket?
Orange.
Basket, not bucket. Basket. BAS.
BAS.
Okay, so
Basket.
in the background,
In the
There are-
background,
there are actually many things, right? But in the
Yes.
test, we don't have time to write too many things. You can just write like there are some refrigerators.
some refrigerators.
Okay, now you can
Okay.
check. You can check the
Check step one.
check.
Okay.
Okay, so first one, woman, right? Woman who is shopping, supermarket, and a white shirt and blue jeans and an orange basket, some refrigerators. You write a red basket is also okay. Okay, this is just a model answer to help you to learn how to observe the picture. First sentence is about a person who is doing something in a place. Second one is about details, what she is wearing, and maybe she is also holding something. And the last sentence is about in the background. There are something. Okay, this is the full structure. Okay, then check
Yes.
check again.
Refrigerators.
Okay, correct.
Okay.
Now, if you fully understand this three sentence structure and the content, you're ready for step 2. Have you fully understood it?
I think so. So the first sentence we describe the person and the back and place, and the second sentence we describe what she's wearing or holding, and the last one is background. Okay.
Okay, so by using this structure, you can save a lot of time because before you practice, you just write 3 very simple sentences, right? So, but now this can make your answer more complicated and longer, so you can get a higher score, and it saves your time for organizing the idea. Okay, so let's go to step 2. Okay, so in step 2, you don't need to think about anything. Just try to type fast, because even you know the structure, maybe you cannot type fast enough to finish it in the real test, right? So now you can see the whole answer and just type it quickly within 1 minute and type it perfectly, okay? So just
Okay.
start fast input. Click the button, start. Okay. Okay, we can see there are still more than 10 seconds left, right? So within 15 minutes, you finish it. And in the real test, if you can give an answer like this, your score will be over 120. So that's how the structure works, okay? So if you feel confident to finish the whole answer within 1 minute, you can go to step 3. So in this part, just use the structure you just practiced, okay?
Okay.
And finish it within 1 minute quickly. Okay, we can start now. Okay, you finished it very quickly, but you missed something about the basket, right? but it's still okay. You still give three
Oh,
sentences. You still give 3 sentences with some complex sentence. Okay, so you still can get a high score. Okay, now if you do you think you have fully understand the structure?
Yes.
Okay, so let's try the first question you practiced before we start use the trainer. Okay, let's go back to the previous page. Okay, start fast practice and do it again. Okay, good. Now you finished the answer on time, and you gave a very clear structure with 3 sentences. The first one is about the photo depicts somebody who is doing something in a place, and you add some details about what he is wearing. And the third sentence, you give a clear background information, right?
Yeah.
So this is how can you get 120 and how can you improve fast. Now, if you can perform consistently like this in the real test, in this part, at least in this part, you get over 120. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so do you find this structure and the trainer helpful?
Yes, of course. At least I know what to write now.
Okay, so it helps you to organize your answer faster. Okay, and if by more practice, you can do it even faster. Like maybe finish it within 40 seconds. So you have more time to add more details. Then you can get an even higher score to like over 140. Okay, so this is actually the basic pattern for over 120. But if you can do it quickly and have left more time, you can still add more details and get higher score. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I just show you how we can improve write about the photo fast with the step-by-step trainer on my website. And you can always practice by yourself on the website. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give likes and subscribe my channel for more tips to help you prepare for the Duolingo English test. See you in the next one.